Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming app and system permissions, open Settings, tap Privacy, then Microphone, and enable the app you need. Once done, remove any case or debris. Use a soft brush and light to inspect the mic grill gently, because physical blockage is a common cause. Then record a short voice memo or run speakerphone to compare input levels. This tells you whether the issue is hardware or software related, so you know what to tackle next. Once you have a baseline, test with wired headphones that have a mic. If headphone audio works, your phone mic hardware is suspect. Then reboot into safe mode or update the OS and affected apps, because background processes or bugs often block audio input. Make sure to clear the app cache, and if that fails, reinstall the app. Also consider resetting network and audio settings. These steps remove misconfigurations and can restore microphone routing without opening the device. If software steps fail, you proceed to hardware repair. Either replace the mic module or seek professional service, because internal solder joints and membranes wear out. Before opening, try gentle compressed air at a distance to dislodge dust. Never use liquids or poke the grill, because you can further damage the mic. If the problem persists, back up your data, check warranty or certified repair options, and bring clear notes on tests you ran. This saves time and increases the chance of a successful fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.